Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by setting up what must work: a stable camera, steady lighting, and fixed figures. Place your tripod and lock exposure and focus so frames don't flicker. Once done, arrange the figures in the first pose and frame tight shots that show motion clearly. Make sure to record a reference photo for color and position. Then take your first frame and move to the next step. Small, planned increments of motion to build smooth animation. You now perform the steady, repetitive work, small, precise movements followed by a photo. Use toothpicks, tweezers, or hidden supports to nudge limbs a millimeter or two. This creates believable motion. Once done, capture each frame and preview a short playback every 50-100 frames to check timing. Make sure to keep lights consistent and marks on the base to restore positions. If a sequence feels slow, slightly increase movement. You complete the project by importing images into editing software, setting frame rate to 1224 FPS, and assembling the sequence into a timeline. Once done, do basic color correction, add sound effects, and export a test file at the target resolution. Make sure to preview the final clip on the intended device to verify timing and sync. If you see jitter or flicker, isolate that section, reshoot with smaller movements, or stabilize digitally. Addressing small errors early saves a full reshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.